Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how to remove anti-crack Transsion on Tecno CL6 model with TSM tool. You can watch this video in different languages. TSM tool gives a biggest update, added remove anti-crack Transsion Infinix Tecno itel, free without credit, based MTK devices, official server-based service. Anytime made disabled by Transsion company. Added new updates of Samsung 2025 next models EDL. Remove KG beta in new patches. Remove FRP, factory reset, and more etc. Open TSM tool. You can download and install from TSM official website. Go to Tecno or Infinix tab and select any model. Then click Remove Anti-Crack. Then power off phone. Hold volume up and down, then connect cable. Phone will go in meta mode and anti-crack remove process will start. Anti-crack removed done successfully. Like this video and write a comment on below this video. Also share if helpful with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Press bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos. Now being with video again. Set up your phone and use it and enjoy. Hope you like this video and share with your friends. Drop a beautiful comment on below this video. Subscribe this channel and press bell icon for more new updates. Thanks for watching.